Well, Merry Christmas, everyone. Hope everybody's got what they wanted for Christmas. Let me adjust this. Well, hope everybody got what they wanted for Christmas. If it ain't what you wanted, maybe either you can take it back and get an exchange or, something like that. So, it's been like a month since we took the boat out. And so I'm gonna do a little cleanup here, and because we're gonna take the boat out again pretty soon. I'm trying out my new DJI Osmos Action 4 and DJI mini mics. So if I sound different, that's why I'm testing all this out. I gotta clean the boat up because it's not like physically wash it. I don't understand people that wash boats. I get a boat to use it, not to wash it. So we got some boards left here from a big picture or something. I gotta get all this trash and stuff out. I know y'all can't see, but so this is just a test video before we get out on the. My goodness gracious. God, no. I guess the ultimate prize was the boat. Not prize, but gift. The Lord's gift, because He's the one that blesses me to be able to do my job so I can do this. So I could buy it and stuff. I did buy some black light type lights, so we can use them in the summer or warmer months. Ow. Not all mine glow. The Venoms, I don't believe they glow, but that's all right. I like the Venom rod. I'll put some glow sticks on them or something. I've got too many. I like 4 Venom rods and a blazing orange rod. Oh my goodness. Come on there. Oh. Alright, so here's the DJI mic box. I got it with the receiver and another microphone and the adapter for the cell phone. But the cool thing is the Action 4 has Bluetooth built in, so I don't actually need the receiver, but I've got it just in case. Well, it comes as a kit, so yeah. This camera is replacing what I used to shoot the videos with, which is the Akaso Action 7. It's a good camera. Don't overheat, no problems there. You have to make sure you open the door before you put the mount on there. But there's no microphones. No external microphones. I've tried them, they only had 12-foot cord. That sucks. So Black Friday, I seen they had them on sale, so I bought them myself and waited till Christmas to get them, to open them up. So this will just be another fallback camera. I got 2 more Action Brave 4s. This is a Brave 7. It's got 4 cams now. Starting to get like a content creator here or something. Alright, so I got some more of these fish bite rod holders. They're made here locally in North Carolina. I like that. Support local. Amen. I got these are the 4-inch ones. The ones I've got, they're 6, but I want them a little shorter because they're going to be on the front deck up here. And I've got it's your Army desert tan, I guess you'd say. Olive green, a red one, an orange, and I got another orange in there. I got a Walmart one right there, which nothing wrong with that, nothing wrong with that. I went ahead and got the mountain plates for them, because on these others I got smackdowns, but I needed them in a hurry. Got another mount right here that I can get. Yeah, or you know, whatever. Just trying to stay creative without copying somebody, you know what I mean? Let's see. Y'all be good. We'll see you on the next one, which won't be too long. Later. Stop recording. Stop recording.